This is GCSE Further Mech. We're looking at uvast and constant acceleration. As example 2, a train starts at rest at Downshire Station, accelerating uniformly at 0.3 meters per second squared at top speed. Power is immediately shut off and brakes applied so that the train decelerates uniformly at 0.6 meters per second and comes to rest in Whitehead Station. The complete journey takes 3 minutes. Find the top speed. I'm going to split this into two wee sections. Part A, where it's accelerating, and then part B, where it's decelerating. Again, as ever, U, V, A, S and T, and fill in what we know. U is 0, V we don't know, and A is 0.3, S we don't know, and we don't know our time. We know the whole journey takes 3 minutes, which is 180 seconds, but we don't know what it is, so I'm just going to call the time for this bit of T. U, V, A, S and T. U we don't know, V we know is 0 because it slows down then to 0, is at Whitehead Station. Here, careful, so it's going to be minus 0.6, hopefully you're okay with that. The deceleration is 0.6, S we don't know, and we don't know the time, but we do know it's 180. Take away this, remember 180 is in 3 minutes. If you maybe want to write that, maybe if you come back to it you might realise, since total time is 3 minutes, which equals 180 seconds. We're then going to call the final velocity of part A, V max, as in that's the biggest speed it goes at. This is also the initial velocity of part B. I hope that makes sense. Say from here, so we knew this part is accelerated. It says accelerates up, I haven't a clue what speed it ends up going at. Say it ends up going at 40, goes from 0 to 40, and then for this bit, then the initial, it's starting at 40 and going down to 0. So if we know that, then we can put it in. So I'm going to call this then V max, and that means this here is also going to be V max. So what do we know then about part A? V equals U plus AT. V max equals 0 plus 0.3 T. V max equals 0.3 T. For part B, V equals U plus AT. Final velocity is 0 equals V max minus 0.6, 180 minus T. So if we sub the 0.3 T into here, because we know V max is 0.3 T, we can then start to tidy this up. So that's going to be 0.3 T minus 0.6 upon 180 minus T. That gives me 0.3 T minus 108 plus 0.6 T. 0.3 T and 0.6 T is 0.9 T, and then kind of take 108 over the other side. I'm going to get 108 equals 0.9 T. T is 108 over 0.9. T then is 120 seconds. find the top speed. So we'll find the time that it speeds. So it's going to speed up for 120 seconds and then slow down for the last 60 seconds. So we'll just work out from Vmax. Vmax equals 0.3 t. That equals 0.3 times 120, and that means it's going to be 40 meters per second.